Hello friends, இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோவில் 7th standard term 2 science unit 4 cell biology இந்த லெசனோடைய புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் 1 மார்க் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, basic unit of life. Answer is A, cell. Cell is the basic unit of life. Second question, I am the outermost layer of an animal cell. Who am I? Answer is C, cell membrane. Cell membrane தான் வந்து animal cell உடைய outermost layer. Third question, which part of the cell is called the brain of the cell? Answer is D, nucleus. Fourth question, dash helps in cell division. Answer is C, centrioles. Centrioles தான் வந்து cell divisionக்கு help பண்ணுது. Fifth question, suitable term for the various components of the cell is cell organelle. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, the jelly-like substance present in the cell is called cytoplasm. Second question, I convert the sun's energy into food for the plant. Who am I? Answer is chloroplast. Third question, mature red blood cell do not contain a nucleus. Fourth question, unicellular organisms can only be seen under a microscope. Fifth question, cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm is equal to protoplasm. Next, third Roman, true or false? First question, animal cells have a cell wall. False. Plant cell மட்டும்தான் வந்து cell wall இருக்கும். Second question, salmonella is a unicellular bacteria. True. Third question, cell membrane is fully permeable. Answer is false. அது வந்து selectively தான் permeable இருக்கும் cell membrane. Fourth question, only plant cells have chloroplast. Yes, it is true. Fifth question, human stomach is an organ. True. Sixth question, ribosomes are small organelles with a membrane. It's a false. Next, match the following. First question, transporting channel, endoplasmic reticulum. Suicidal bag, lysosomes. Lysosomes are also called as suicidal bags. Third question, control room. Nucleus is the control room. Fourth வந்து powerhouse. மைட்டோகாண்ட்ரியான்றது தான் powerhouse. Fifth வந்து food producer. chloroplast தான் வந்து plant உடைய food producer. Fifth Roman, analogy. First question, bacteria microorganism, mango tree macroorganism. Second, adipose tissue. Adipose is a tissue. Eye is an organ. Third question, cell wall, plant cell. Centriole is an animal cell. Fourth question, chloroplast, photosynthesis. Mitochondria, respiration. அதுக்கப்புறம் sixth Roman, choose the correct answer. First, assertion. அதில் tissue is a group of dissimilar cells. Reason வந்து muscle is made up of a muscle cell. Yes, ரெண்டுமே கரெக்டு. ஸோ A answer, both A and R true. Second question, assertion. Majority of cells cannot be seen directly with naked eye because reasonல cells are microscopic. So answer A. Next unit 5, basis of classification. இந்த லெசனோடைய புக் பேக் ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாம். First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, the following characteristics are essential for classification. Options, A, similarities, B, differences, C, both of them, D, none of them. Answer is C, both of them. அதாவது similarities and differences. Second question, approximately dash species of living organisms found in the earth. Answer is A, 8.7 million. 8.7 million species வந்து living organisms வந்து எர்த்தில் வந்து இருக்கு. So third question, the largest division of the living world is. Answer is B, kingdom. Fourth question, who proposed the 5 kingdom of classification? Answer is C, Whittaker. Fifth question, the binomial name of pigeon is. Answer is D, Colombo livia. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First question, dash in 1623 introduced the binomial nomenclature. Gaspard Bauhin. Second, species is the dash unit of classification. Species is the basic unit of classification. Third, dash are non-green and non-photosynthetic in nature. Answer is fungi. Fourth, The binomial name of onion is Allium sativum. Fifth, Carolus Linnaeus is known as the father of modern taxonomy. Third Roman, true or false? First question, classification helps to know the origin and evolution of an organism. True. Second, fishes are aquatic vertebrates. True. Third, in the year 1979, five kingdom classification was proposed. False. Fourth question, true nucleus is seen in the prokaryotic cell. False. Fifth, animal cells have cell wall. False. Fourth, match the following. First, Monera and the bacteria. Protista euglena. Fungi, molds. Plantae, neem. Animalia, butterfly. Next Roman, assertion and reason. First question, assertion. Binomial name is the universal name and contains two names. Reason, it was first introduced by Carolus Linnaeus. Assertion correct, ஆனால் reason வந்து incorrect. Answer is B. Second question, assertion. Identification, assortment and grouping are essential for classification. Reason, these are basic steps of taxonomy. Answer is A. Reason and assertion ரெண்டுமே வந்து correct. அடுத்த யூனிட் 6 டிஜிட்டல் பெயிண்டிங். இந்த லெசனோடைய 1 மார்க் பார்க்கலாம். First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, Tux Paint software is used to paint. So answer is option A. Second question, which toolbar is used for drawing and editing controls in Tux Paint software? Answer is A. Left side toolbar. Third question, what is the short key for undo option? Answer is A. Control plus Z. Fourth question, Tux Math software helps in learning the arithmetic. Answer is B. Fifth question, in Tux Math, space cadet option is used for A. Simple addition. That's all friends. இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ. Fifth question, in Tux Math, space cadet option is used for A. Simple addition. That's all friends. இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.